this is the noise happening. Every time you turn the wheel, you have like a clicking noise. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using. WD-40 Specialist Silicone Quick Dry. It's waterproof. And it's got a little... So what you're going to spray is these bushings in here. Took it off-roading a few times and the bushings get a little dull out. So just got to lube them up. There's some at the bottom right here. And on the side. Alright, so get in there good. Make sure you get both sides. Yeah, you can tell this one's like dry rotted. And it's coming from this side bad. So let the car sit overnight, but the noise actually went away. Nothing. So you want to let that WD-40 sit overnight so it can lube up those bushings. Yeah, that's an easy fix.